If you would like to see how I made this, please watch the video from start to finish. Right here we've got some strawberries, blueberries, spinach, kale, kiwi and grapes, and I'm about to make a smoothie. Back in the I've also got some seeds and wheatgrass powder. So I've got some chia seeds, I've got some wheatgrass powder, I've got some mixed seeds, and this here is, I'm trying to get it to focus, flax seed, sunflower, pumpkin, sesame seeds and goji berries. And I'm gonna put a teaspoon of each of these into the blender. So I'm gonna do that now. Gonna add my seeds as well. Made sure to put them in a bowl. And I'm gonna add some water to this, and I'm back. Just want you to see. So I'm just gonna pour in a quarter of this water bottle inside. It's enough for it to blend smoothie. As you can see, this is the amount that's left in the bottle. As you can see, this blender is full, nice and colourful. So right about now, I am going to press my on high speed. No, actually, yeah, high speed. That's it, beautiful, green and nice. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you try it out and like it. Did you notice the Bible verse in the title? If you did, leave a comment on what you think it means to you. Let's have a conversation. Let's talk Jesus, let's talk gospel.